Keeping your pool clean shouldn't feel like a second job. Whether it's floating leaves, stubborn algae, or fine debris that seems to settle overnight, manual cleaning can quickly wear thin. That's where a reliable above-ground pool vacuum makes all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 best above-ground pool vacuums for 2025. We'll cover what each one offers, who they're best suited for, and what to consider before making your pick. If you're tired of spending more time cleaning than swimming, you'll want to stick around. Product links are listed below in the description. Number 6. Shark Swell Cordless Pool Vacuum. If you're looking for a no-fuss solution to keep your above-ground pool clean, the Shark Swell Cordless Pool Vacuum might be exactly what you need. It's a lightweight, budget-friendly option designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind, perfect for small to mid-sized pools or hot tubs that don't require heavy-duty cleaning. This model runs cord-free for up to 90 minutes, giving you plenty of time to cover the entire floor without having to rush. The built-in suction motor is strong enough to handle fine debris like sand, small leaves, and even bits of algae, which tend to settle along the bottom of the pool. Weighing just around 6 pounds, it's easy to lift in and out of the water, and the one-button start means you're up and running in seconds. Its filter basket is enclosed in a clear casing, making it easy to see when it's full. Charging is straightforward, just dock it into the compact base, and it's ready to go again in about 2.5 hours. While it does a solid job overall, it's not built for heavy debris like acorns or larger sticks. It also doesn't climb walls or scrub surfaces, so it's really meant for floor-only cleaning. If your pool tends to collect a lot of dirt, you may find yourself rinsing out the filter more frequently than you'd like. Still, for its price and performance, Shark Swell delivers a solid cleaning experience. It's ideal for anyone who wants a portable, quiet vacuum that keeps daily pool maintenance simple and hands-off. Number 5. Aiper N1 Plus. For pool owners looking to step up from basic vacuums without spending a fortune, the Iper N1 Plus is a smart middle ground. It brings thoughtful design and practical features together in a compact, cordless package, making it a strong pick for everyday maintenance in above-ground pools. This model uses dual-drive motors, allowing it to navigate in multiple directions with better coverage than many budget units. It's designed to clean pools up to 860 square feet and does so in roughly 2 hours per cycle. The 180-micron filter is efficient at capturing fine debris like sand, dust, and small leaf fragments, keeping the water clearer between deep cleanings. At just under 8 pounds, it's easy to handle, and the included hook makes retrieval simple once cleaning is done. When the battery runs low, the N1 Plus automatically parks itself near the pool wall, so you're not fishing around trying to find it. Charging takes between 3 to 4 hours, and once topped off, it's good to go again. It's best suited for floor-only cleaning in rectangular pools, where the layout lets the robot cover the surface efficiently. In round or freeform pools, you might notice it misses some edge zones, though nothing major. Also, it doesn't offer app support or smart scheduling. Everything is done through physical controls. You won't get wall or waterline cleaning here, but for the price, you get dependable automated floor cleaning that's quiet, simple, and easy to manage. If your pool is average size and you want to automate cleaning without adding complexity, the Iper N1 Plus checks all the right boxes for a solid mid-range solution. Number 4. Iper Scuba S1. If you're looking for a vacuum that goes beyond basic floor cleaning, the Iper Scuba S1 is a strong step up. Built for both above-ground and shallow in-ground pools, this model delivers solid cleaning power, extended runtime, and better coverage with partial wall climbing ability, something not often seen in this price range. The Scuba S1 features dual cleaning modes. You can choose between floor-only cleaning or a mode that also tackles partial wall sections. Its quad-motor system gives it smoother maneuverability and improved traction, while the 2,500 GPa suction rate handles typical debris like leaves, sand, and algae with ease. 2 rotating brushes work to scrub away grime, and it follows a zigzag path that ensures fewer missed spots and better coverage overall. Battery life is another highlight here. With a maximum runtime of 150 minutes, it has more than enough power to clean slightly larger pools in a single go. When it's time to recharge, expect it to be fully powered in around 3.5 hours. At 9.2 pounds, it's slightly heavier than Iper's N1 Plus, but still manageable. That extra weight supports better wall traction and motor performance. However, it won't climb all the way to the waterline, so deep wall scrubbing isn't part of the package. Also, if your pool has a unique shape or sharp curves, the cleaner may not navigate every edge perfectly. Still, the Iper Scuba S1 hits a nice balance between function and price. It's ideal for users who want stronger suction, a longer runtime, and a cleaner that doesn't just skim the basics, all without stepping into high-end territory. Number 3. Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro. The AquaSense 2 Pro is designed for pool owners who want more than just basic cleaning. With advanced AI-driven navigation, multi-surface coverage, and smart app integration, it brings premium features that make it stand out in the high-performance vacuum category. This model doesn't just roam aimlessly. It uses AI path planning to map out the most efficient cleaning route for your pool. It covers 3 key zones: the floor, the walls, and even the waterline. That makes it one of the few above-ground compatible cleaners that offers true multi-surface cleaning. You get 5 cleaning modes, all accessible through the Beatbot app, which connects via both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can schedule cleanings, switch modes, and monitor performance directly from your phone. The suction power is also a standout. At 5,500 gallons per hour, it's one of the strongest in its class. Swappable filter cartridges allow you to switch between standard and ultra-fine filtration depending on your needs, whether that's pollen, fine dust, or heavier debris. With a runtime of up to 180 minutes in eco mode, it can handle larger pools with ease. Built-in sensors monitor water temperature and battery levels, helping the robot adjust cleaning modes or return to base when needed. On the downside, the AquaSense 2 Pro does come at a premium price, and to make the most of its app features, you'll need a stable Wi-Fi signal near the pool. At around 12.6 pounds, it's also heavier than most on this list, though still manageable. Still, for those looking for high customization and top-tier performance, this is one of the most capable options available in 2025. It's especially useful in larger or hybrid pools with a variety of debris types to handle. Number 2. Beatbot AquaSense 2. If you're looking for a smart pool vacuum that offers reliable performance without going all in on high-end features, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 is a solid choice. It delivers many of the strengths of the Pro version but pares things down to keep things more accessible and more affordable. This model offers both floor and partial wall cleaning, thanks to its intelligent navigation system and dual-motor design. It maps out its route efficiently and uses a rotating brush for active scrubbing, which helps lift stubborn dirt and algae from pool surfaces. Suction comes in at 4,000 gallons per hour, which is more than enough for mid to large-sized above-ground pools. One of its most user-friendly features is the top access filter tray. It's easy to remove and clean, which is a big plus for regular maintenance. The vacuum runs up to 150 minutes on a full charge, enough to clean most pools without interruption, and it automatically parks near the wall when the battery runs low. You get Bluetooth app controls so you can schedule cleanings and choose from available modes directly from your phone. However, it doesn't support Wi-Fi, and customization options are more limited compared to the Pro model. Also, it doesn't clean the waterline, so if that's something you need, this might fall a bit short. That said, for users who want dependable automation and app-based control without the complexity or price of a premium unit, the AquaSense 2 strikes the right balance. It's easy to use, offers strong cleaning performance, and is ideal for anyone who wants smart features without going overboard on tech. Number 1. Dolphin Escape. The Dolphin Escape has earned its reputation as a go-to-pool cleaner by focusing on what matters most: reliable performance, simple operation, and low maintenance. It may not come with app control or flashy features, but when it comes to keeping above-ground pools clean, it gets the job done consistently and effectively. Weighing around 14 pounds, this robotic cleaner is still considered lightweight for its category. It moves using hypergrip continuous tracks, which give it strong traction and prevent slippage even on slick pool surfaces. Navigation is guided by SmartNav 2.0 technology, allowing it to scan and plan its route intelligently, rather than just moving randomly. One of its biggest strengths is the oversized top-loading debris cartridge, which holds up to 60% more than standard filter baskets. That means fewer cleanouts, especially in pools that tend to collect a lot of leaves or dirt. Runtime clocks in at around 90 minutes per cycle, which is usually enough for most above-ground pools up to 30 feet in length. A built-in scrubbing brush agitates fine debris, making it easier for the suction system to capture algae, sand, and other small particles. There's no app, no Bluetooth, and no learning curve. Just plug it in, drop it in the pool, and let it work. The trade-offs are worth noting. The Escape doesn't clean walls or the waterline, and it's not cordless, so you'll need an outlet nearby. The debris cartridge, while roomy, can be messy if not cleaned promptly. Still, if you're after a straightforward, efficient, and proven cleaner that just works, the Dolphin Escape continues to be a standout choice heading into 2025. And that wraps up our list of the top 6 best above-ground pool vacuums for 2025. Pool maintenance doesn't have to take up your weekend. Finding the right vacuum can make it quick, hands-free, and a lot less frustrating. Whether your priority is runtime, debris capacity, or smart features, the best choice depends on your pool's size, shape, and the type of debris you deal with most. Which one are you considering? Let us know in the comments. You'll find all product links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.